kahit na umuulan, magandang araw pa rin ito dahil nabuksan na natin itong napakaganda na tulay. I think this will serve as a model for many of the other bridge projects that we will be seeing around the country. And to see that everything was completed on time and on budget, and despite all of the other issues that we are having to deal with, patuloy pa rin ang kanilang naging trabaho. At kaya naman, nakarating na ang araw na ito na binuksan natin ang Kamanyugan Bridge. Kapag nakita ng lahat ng ibang gobernador ito, sasabihin, bakit wala kaming ganyan?
2.4 billion pesos at mega iconic bridge na magdudugtong sa eastern at western portion ng Cagayan, pinasinayaan sa Camalaniugan, Cagayan.
This is a dream come true for Cagayan. 250 kilometers long. This is the first time that an additional bridge will serve us to connect the eastern portion and western portion of Cagayan.
Dahil sa makabago at kakaiba nitong disenyo, ang bagong iconic bridge mula sa Build program ni Pangulong Duterte ay inaasahan din na mag-aangat ng turismo sa Cagayan.
Ako'y natutuwa dahil nakitang-kita naman yung pagmamahal ni Presidente po